if you're looking to stop recurring charges on Cash App, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps to manage and cancel subscriptions effectively. Follow these steps to regain control over your payments. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings and payment history. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage various aspects of your Cash App. Step 3. Access payment history. Scroll down and select the Activity tab to view your recent transactions. This will help you identify any recurring payments that you wish to cancel. Step 4. Identify recurring payments. Look through your transaction history for any payments that are marked as subscriptions or recurring charges. Take note of the ones you want to stop. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. Select the recurring payment you want to cancel and look for an option to manage or cancel the subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation, ensuring that you will no longer be charged. By following these steps, you can effectively stop any unwanted recurring charges on Cash App. Always remember to review your transactions regularly to keep track of your subscriptions.